Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is October 16, 2025, and you will be learning how to ask when is your birthday in Filipino language, Visayan and Tagalog. Just keep coming back here at Chinese Bilingual Bridge channel if you want to learn Filipino language for free. Alright, let's start! Okay, let's start our lesson today. Asking when is your birthday in Filipino language. Let's start with the Visayan one. Okay, in Visayan, when is your birthday, you can say, kano sa imong adlaw nga natawhan? Again, kano sa imong adlaw nga natawhan? Or you could simply ask, kano sa imong birthday? Again, you could simply ask, kano sa imong birthday? Now we go to Tagalog version. Okay, in Tagalog, you can say, kailan ang kaarawan mo? Again, kailan ang kaarawan mo? Or again, you could simply ask, kailan ang birthday mo? You could simply ask, kailan ang birthday mo? Okay, this is all for today. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. And keep coming back here at Chinese Bilingual Bridge Room, so you will learn Filipino language every single day. Okay, see you next time.